Coffee drinking has now become a habit, and if you're like most people, you need variety when it comes to your daily caffeine fix. Here's one of the favorites. So, to make one steaming hot coffee latte, prepare 15 grams of freshly ground coffee. Before brewing the ground coffee, press it tightly in the filter to remove air gaps and to ensure a creamy espresso. Then, place the filter in the machine. While waiting for it to steam, you may start heating the milk using the frothing arm of the espresso machine. By this time, you're now ready to extract the espresso. Wait until the foam changes from a light brown color to a whitish color. This means that the steam has extracted most of the coffee flavor, and you should now remove the cup. Pour the milk foam in the espresso. For added flavor, put chocolate syrup on top. Make sure, however, that you use chilled choco syrup. Otherwise, the syrup will simply blend in.